Did you know that nearly 60% of Americans struggle to stick to a budget? What if I told you there's a simpler, more effective way to manage your money without the stress of spreadsheets or strict willpower? Welcome to Credit Unlocked. Today, we're diving into 3 bank accounts that can effectively replace budgeting. No more apps, no spreadsheets, and definitely no willpower needed. Let's kick things off with account 1, your bills account. This is where you'll automate all your fixed expenses. Think rent, utilities, and subscriptions. By using this account, you ensure that your bills are paid on time, every time. No more late fees or missed payments. It's all taken care of automatically. Now let's move on to account 2, your spending account. This is where the magic happens. Give yourself a guilt-free allowance for variable spending. You set a monthly allocation. Once it's gone, it's gone. But while you have it, enjoy it without guilt. This account is about living your life. All right, let's not forget account 3, your savings account. This is where the real power comes in. Set up an automatic transfer right on payday. With this setup, saving becomes effortless. If money is automatically moved to your savings, you'll hardly notice it's gone, making overspending literally impossible. Setting up these 3 accounts takes only about 20 minutes. So why does this beat every budgeting app? Because it's simple and automatic. No more complicated spreadsheets, no more stressing over every dollar. Just 3 accounts working together to give you control and freedom. So are you ready to ditch the budgeting apps and take control of your finances? Give these 3 accounts a try and let me know how it goes. If you're ready to simplify your finances, drop a comment below. What are you most excited to change with this new system?